Hi, I'm Catherine Fulvio, and today I am making a delicious chocolate and orange tray bake. You're gonna love it. Can you imagine like gooey chocolate, chocolate topping, orange zest rippling through it? It is everybody's chocolate dream, to be quite honest. It's very much down my street. So to start with, to make our base of our tray cake, our cake part, we are using some lovely Irish rapeseed oil. Pop that in. And 4 eggs. So just crack your eggs in and then we whisk this up. Then our dry ingredients go in. So I want to get a little bit of air into the eggs with the oil, and now I have some caster sugar, so I'm popping this in at this point so that the sugar melts in and becomes all beautiful. Now, it's looking a little lighter now. You're not looking for huge volume here, but you do want it to be a little lighter. Now, this is optional for you. I have some wholemeal flour. You can go with all plain flour if you want, but I like the little bit of texture of the wholemeal flour, and it's good for you as well. So popping that in. Baking powder. Some plain flour. Start with that amount. Cocoa powder. Now we're starting to build up our lovely chocolatey flavours. And over here I have some melted chocolate. I'm not going to use all of it because I need some of this melted chocolate for my frosting as well. So put that in, about half it, about 100 grams of chocolate. And we start whisking again. Now in the last minute, I also have some orange zest. You can add whatever flavour you want in here. Cinnamon would be very nice. Cinnamon works surprisingly well with dark chocolate. And some milk. Yum diddly dum. This is my kind of cake. Okay, now, all I need now is my brownie tin. Get my chocolate mix into it, bake that at 180 degrees, and then I can crack on with making my frosting. So our lovely tray bake is out of the oven and it's just cooling. It is time to make the frosting. And for that we have 100 ml of dark chocolate, yum yum yum. And we have icing sugar, vanilla, butter, maple syrup, and sea salt. I want to whisk it all together. So there's our dark chocolate gone in. Our icing sugar. Our butter. I always think of frosting as what really finishes a cake. It just makes it more grand, I think. Maple syrup. It's going to give a lovely flavour. Vanilla, and then a little bit of sea salt. So I'm going to hold on to my spatula for sprinkling it down shortly, but it's time to get my mixer out. I might even turn it on this time. And off we go. And that is it. What would I do without my little mixer? My best friend in the kitchen. So we can get some more off this. Excuse the noise. And now it's time to decorate our beautiful chocolate orange tray bake. So we pop our frosting on the top, nice and generous. This would be lovely on top of cupcakes as well now, to be honest. For a very simple birthday cake, this would be nice. And just a little celebration cake. You can glam this up as you want and decorate it as you want. I don't think you'll be disappointed with the frosting. That lovely bit of sea salt with the maple syrup really gives it a bit of a wow flavour, I have to say. To decorate, I'm going with some calendula, which are these beautiful orange petals. I'm just going to sprinkle them around like that. Nice and easy, nice and relaxed. This is just a very simple but very flavorful little chocolate cake. And then a nice sprig of mint and a little bit of colour in the centre will do it justice, I think. And then just decorate it with a little bit of cocoa powder, and that's it, our chocolate and orange tray bake. Really easy, really simple, but packed with flavour. I think you'll enjoy it.